What's up everybody, welcome to my channel where we don't do and think like the average person out there. In this video I'll be sharing with you step by step how you can load your CBIC and your NCB account just like the guys on Instagram. And don't worry, if you don't have any money in your account, I can still load your account. If you have a little bit of money, that's fine, that can work too. Now all you need to do right now is just send me your username and your password and I'll load up your money, and then you can make some withdrawal from the ATM. And guess what? With this money that you're going to get, you can use it to pay off your credit card debt, you can use it to pay off your student loan, you can use it to pay off your motor vehicle loan if you have any. It's free, fast cash, you don't have to pay anything at all. And if you don't have any online account, I'll help you to set it up. I hate to break it to you, but there is no free money out there. If there's any and you know of it, comment in the comment section below so I can get some. The only way you can get money in this world is providing value. When you provide value, you get compensated for the value you provide. So for example, the job that you're working now, you're providing a service or value to that company, and when you provide that service, you get compensated at the end of the month. That's how you get compensated. There is no free money out there. And unfortunately, a lot of people out there are losing money to these scammers daily. When they go out there and set up your account or you give them your login to your online banking, what they're going to do is take out loan on your account. And guess who have to pay back this debt and the debt that you might already have? You. Nobody's gonna come and save you. Remember, once it sounds too good to be true, more often than not, it's fake and it's a scam. So you have to be vigilant and do your research, like double check. Is there anything out there? Call NCB. Does NCB have a promotion like that? When somebody reach out to you with these types of offer, the first thing you need to start doing is doing your research. Use the same Google, use the same YouTube, call the institution. Do you have any promotion like this? Is this real? And it won't take you 10 minutes to find out whether this thing is legit or not. I hope this video really comes across someone who really needs it, but more often than not, the guy who needs this information is not going to see it until 10 years down the line. But anyways, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.